full cozy workspace on here. Red, which I'm so excited about. Rangers. Good morning, welcome to or back to my channel, and happy vlogmas day something. Today's gonna be a fun day. I'm actually going to a Rangers game because I'm becoming quite the sports fan. No, just kidding, but I do like going to these type of things. I think they're fun. Yeah, going to a Rangers game tonight and just hanging out now. It's like a regular work day, but then a fun Rangers game tonight. So, also we're getting closer to New Year's Eve, so I'm trying to plan my New Year's plans with my friends this morning. So that's what I've been doing all morning, and now I am hungry. So I'm trying to figure out what to eat for lunch. It's like this constant struggle of living in New York and being like, oh, I should make something. And then I'm like, oh, but I want to go order something. I want to get something outside because there's better food out there. I could make a really delicious lunch. The thing I made a few vlogs ago, like that chickpea shawarma bowl, is so good. Like one of my favorite things, and I've been thinking about it, but it's a lot of work and I don't know if I have the time or the energy today. My arms are so sore and like quaking. I can barely move today because I took Brooks to the park yesterday and walked around with him all day, and we walked like, I think I looked, it was like 13,000 steps, because instead of taking the subway anywhere, like I walked everywhere, and that would be fine. Like I'm so, like I love walking, but carrying him really hurts the arms. It's like a permanent bicep. I'm just like, So yeah, my arms are killing me today. I got quite the arm workout yesterday, which is nice, but yeah, I'm exhausted physically. I could barely hold this camera up, but say lovey. So like I will not be carrying him anywhere today, but that's fine. Maybe we'll go on a walk later. Right now I need to figure out what to eat because I am hungry. There's just too much good food in New York. It's hard to just like be like, yeah, let me just make a salad that's like lame. All right, I'm gonna figure it out. Also, I'm wearing this new Christmas sweater from ASOS. Does anybody else feel like when they wear turtlenecks, they're being like choked out? Like I can't stand the feeling of something on my neck like this, like especially this one's very structured, and I don't love it. So I might be taking this off, but it does look cute. Okay, time for lunch. Here's the full cozy work outfit. I'm wearing these Zara pants that are basically like a sweater, and then this ASOS sweater. All right, I caved because I didn't know what else to make, and I'm making the Mediterranean shawarma bowl. So I just drained the chickpeas. I'm gonna add oil, and the only thing that takes a little bit, I mean it doesn't take that long, is I don't have any shawarma spice, so I had to make my own. And I had to like, and I only have whole cloves, so I had to grind my own cloves, but it's so worth it. It's so good. So I'm cooking a little bit of rice in here with butter and garlic and a little bit of stock concentrate, and then I'm gonna do some oil. Unfortunately I don't have any onions, which is like a main part of this, but what can you do? Some tomatoes. Don't have many tomatoes left either. And then I do the shawarma, the rest of the shawarma spice on here. Toss that and cook it. All right, finished. Here's the bowl, missing the onions. And here's the white garlicky sauce. I added a little bit more lemon juice so I didn't have to like do it separately. And then a lemon spindrift. And this is my lunch. All right, let me pause my video. I just had lunch and I have some time, so I'm going to do my nails. And if you haven't noticed, I change my nails a lot. I do them myself. It's really fun for me. It's like creative and I love it. So here's all my colors. Most of them are from D&D. I have some OPI. Oh, I also did burn my hand making lunch, so I have some burn gel on it. Did not. I was thinking maybe either this blue. I love red, but I kind of want red like for actual Christmas. Maybe I'll do this green. Yeah, I'm between blue and green. So yeah, we'll see what I do. And I'm just going to watch a Claire Saffitz video on YouTube. I love watching her stuff. I love watching people bake because I love baking. That's like one of my hobbies. And it's really fun to watch other people bake, especially Claire. So yeah, here's the before. All right, it's been a little bit. I finished my nails. I love the color. It's D&D Heartbreak, I think. I will link it down below, but I love the blue. But I also got this package in the mail. I just unboxed it. This is my advent calendar, which I ordered a while ago and it didn't come in. It's now like a few days in, but it's the Sugarfina one, which I'm so excited about because I love Sugarfina. And let's see, do they have like one or two each thing? Oh, so cute. Their candy is so good. Does it tell you which thing is which? Is it on the back? Let's see. Oh yeah, dark chocolate sea salt caramel. These are all the candies you get. Let's see if they have my favorite one. No, they don't. My favorite one are the lips, but these are cute too. I thought it'd be like a fun advent calendar and a way to like try out their candies because I've only tried a few. It's definitely not the first anymore, but let's have one. Pretty yummy. I'm gonna save the other ones for Dan. Oh, it's 4:30 now. We have the game at like 7-ish. Dan's gonna come home soon. We're gonna get dinner. I'm gonna go to the game. It's gonna be fun. But I need to finish up wrapping because I have a few presents here that I want to do and wrap like while he's not in the apartment. So we're gonna wrap. Everything's clean.
So let's set it aside and do the same process with the chocolate. I'm going to make that one by just kneading a little bit of cocoa powder into.
Okay, for dinner before the game we got Ruby's. It's like an Australian, very popular. Oh, I love their bags. Look, thanks mate. Thanks mate. Did you get the same thing? Chicken?
No, it was burger.
Oh, cheeseburger. And I got a chicken sandwich and it smells incredible. Oh, look how cute. Someone's not very happy that we're going. All right, I'm ready. This is my sports outfit. My Rangers sports game outfit. I'm wearing a blue, my Rangers match game outfit. This is Paige. Okay, can I speak? Oh, my nails too, wow. I'm a super fan. I mean, I could wear red sweatpants, but I thought I'd go more muted today. But these are A. Goldie, this is Paige Lorenz's stuff. This is Bloomingdale's. And I think I'm gonna wear Uggs because I wanna be cozy. And B's not happy. Stopped and got tiger sugar. All right, we just got back. The game was really fun, but we did lose by like 7-2 or 3, 7-3. But it was a really fun game. I'm about to take my makeup off. Oh, and on the way home, we went and got some tiger sugar. I think that's what it's called. It's supposed to be really good boba, and they have one downtown, but we were passing a store and they must have had like a pop-up, so I popped in. I had to try it, and it was good, but Gongcha is still my number one, so good to know. But we had a nice night, bubble tea, games. It was really fun. I'm about to take my makeup off, so I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Helps me out so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.